Are you still holding meme coins from the 2024 bull run, hoping for one more miracle, one more sudden pump, one last chance to exit and profit? If yes, then this video is for you. Because the truth is simple, 2026 is not 2024. The crypto market has changed, the rules have changed, and what worked back then will not protect your portfolio now. Before we start today's topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Bella, and you are watching Money Mind 3D. This is a finance and crypto-focused channel where we talk about the economy, market trends, and smart investment strategies. Here, we do not follow hype. We focus on logic, data, and long-term thinking. If you want to understand crypto and economics the right way, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Now, let's start. The truth is simple. 2026 is not 2024. The crypto market has matured. Institutional money is more careful. Regulators are more active, and investors are more selective. What worked in the last bull run will not secure your portfolio in the next cycle. Back in 2024, meme coins dominated the market. Coins with no real fundamentals, no strong utility, and sometimes no clear roadmap. They pumped fast because attention pumped fast. Social media created hype, influencers created urgency, and retail investors followed emotions. For some people, it worked, but only for a short time. Markets do not reward the same behavior forever. In 2026, speculation is losing power, and fundamentals are gaining control. This is where portfolio rebalancing becomes critical. Now let's answer an important question. What is portfolio rebalancing? Portfolio rebalancing means reducing exposure from weak assets and increasing exposure to strong assets. It does not mean selling everything and buying something new blindly. It means making calculated shifts based on risk, value, and long-term potential. Now let's talk about meme coins. Meme coins are driven by emotion, not by utility. They depend on hype cycles, community excitement, and viral trends. When attention fades, liquidity disappears, and when liquidity disappears, prices collapse. This does not mean every meme coin will disappear, but it does mean most meme coins will not survive long-term. Here is the biggest mistake investors make. They fall in love with their bags. They remember the pump, they remember the green candles, and they expect history to repeat. But markets do not care about memories. Markets care about value. Ask yourself one simple question. If this coin disappeared tomorrow, would the crypto ecosystem feel it? If the answer is no, then this asset is not a long-term investment. This one question alone can save your portfolio. Now let's talk about blue-chip altcoins. A blue-chip crypto asset is not defined by price. It is defined by strength. It has real usage, active development, strong security, and long-term relevance. These projects survive bear markets. They attract developers, and they attract serious capital. Blue-chip altcoins usually have a care problem they solve: a working product, strong on-chain activity, and transparent leadership. They are not dependent on hype. They are built on adoption. In 2026, smart money is not chasing fast profits. Smart money is protecting capital and positioning early in projects that will dominate future infrastructure. Now let's discuss how to rebalance your altcoin portfolio. Step 1. Reduce emotional holdings. If you are holding a coin only because you hope it will pump again, that is an emotional position. Emotions do not belong in investing. Step 2. Identify weak assets. Ask these questions. Does this project have real users? Is development active? Is there institutional interest? Is token supply controlled? If the answer is no, consider reducing exposure. Step 3. Increase exposure to quality. Quality does not mean expensive. Quality means durable. Projects with strong fundamentals, strong networks, and real-world use cases. Step 4. Diversify intelligently. Do not put everything into one coin. Do not put everything into one narrative. balance across sectors, infrastructure, layer 1 networks, data, and real-world assets. Another important point, rebalancing is not a one-time action. It is a process. Markets evolve and portfolios must adapt. Stay flexible, stay informed. Now let's talk about mindset. In 2024, most investors wanted fast money. In 2026, smart investors want sustainable growth. Fast money creates fast losses. Slow money builds strong foundations. The goal is not to win one cycle. The goal is to survive many cycles. Liquidity also matters. Blue chip assets have liquidity. You can enter and exit calmly. Meme coins trap investors because exits disappear quickly. Liquidity equals safety. Another mistake. Following influencers. Influencers benefit from attention, not from your portfolio performance. Use data, not emotions. 2026 is about positioning, not gambling. Meme coins had their moment, but fundamentals will lead the future. Rebalance your portfolio, reduce emotional risk, increase quality exposure, and think long-term. In crypto, survival comes before profits. Those who survive eventually thrive. This is not financial advice. This is strategic thinking. If you want more content like this on crypto, economy, and smart investing, subscribe to Money Mind 3D. Like this video and stay informed.